Now reduced syllabus of Science 2 for the academic year 2021-22 is same like last year only. Now lesson number 1, that is heredity and evolution, on page number 1. Can you recall, that is question number 1, 2 and 3, that is completely omitted. Then the last line, that is besides there is uracil. You can see over here I have marked in red pen, besides there is uracil in RNA instead of thymine of DNA. Till here it is omitted. Then on page number 2 nothing is omitted. Page number 3, 3.5 billions of years on the left hand side column, that is on the left hand side 3.5 billion से लेके organism is accepted यहाँ तक omitted है. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को दो कॉलम है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 3.5 बिलियन ईयर्स से लेके ऑर्गेनिज्म इज एक्सेप्टेड यहाँ तक ओमिटेड है. और राइट हैंड साइड कॉलम में पीक इनटू हिस्ट्री ओनली दैट इज ओमिटेड. तो ये वाला बॉक्स खाली ओमिटेड है राइट हैंड साइड कॉलम में. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 3.5 बिलियन ईयर्स से लेके ऑर्गेनिज्म इज एक्सेप्टेड वहाँ तक ओमिटेड है. देन पेज नंबर 4 नीचे कैन यू टेल और यूज़ ऑफ ICT, ये दोनों completely omitted है. पेज नंबर 5 यूज़ ऑफ ICT, that is completely omitted. Rest all it is there. Then page number 6, that is this box, introduction to scientists, that is completely omitted. Page number 7 nothing is omitted. Page number 8 introduction to scientists, that is Charles Robert Darwin. This is Darwin, that is Charles Robert Darwin. This is completely omitted. And this also introduction to scientists, that is Jean Baptiste Lamarck, that is also completely omitted. Internet is my friend, that is also omitted. Page number 9, this diagram is completely omitted, that is this box is completely omitted. Then on page number 10 nothing is omitted. Lesson number 2, can you recall, this is completely omitted, that is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is fully omitted. Then at the bottom, use your brain power, that is also omitted. Can you recall, this is also omitted. Page number 13, observe and label the diagram given below, that is completely omitted. ये और diagram पूरा omitted है. फिर can you tell question number 1, 2 and 3, that is also omitted. Then page number 14, the green box is completely omitted, only that much is omitted in this page. Then on page number 15, introduction to scientists, this yellow box is completely omitted. Then page number 16, can you tell first and second question, this is completely omitted. And always remember this purple box is completely omitted. Page number 17, use your brain power, that is first, second and third question is omitted. Then collect information, internet is my friend, that is also omitted. Then can you tell, first and the second question is omitted. Next on page number 18, can you recall what is the shape of the chromosome, give its name in the figure, this is omitted. And the diagram of the chromosome is omitted, it is not there this year. Then on page number 19 nothing is omitted. Page number 20, try this from the apparatus till the end of the page number 20, everything is omitted, only the first para is there. Try this से लेके नीचे तक omitted है. Books are my friends, use of ICT, ये diagram और ये question, use your brain power, try this, all this is completely omitted. Now lesson number 3, can you recall first, second, third, fourth question is omitted. Then page number 23 nothing is omitted. Page number 24, below, whenever there is a plenty of water से लेके fragment develops into new cycon, till here it is omitted. So this para is omitted, rest all it is there. Next, page number 25, try this, take a piece of wet bread till diagram, only this 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are omitted, rest all it is there. Then page number 26, let's think, that is the first and the second question, this 4 lines are omitted. Next on page number 27, many flowers से लेके हैप्लॉइड पोलर न्यूक्लियाई तक ओमिटेड है. सो फ्रॉम मैनी फ्लावर से लेके हैप्लॉइड पोलर न्यूक्लियाई तक ओमिटेड है. टिल हियर इट इज ओमिटेड. देन डू यू नो, that is omitted, pink box. And use of ICT, that is also omitted. Then page number 28, try this. From take a suitable glass से लेके record the changes तक, यानी 1 2 3 4 5 lines omitted है. Rest nothing is omitted in this page. Then on page number 29, this box is completely omitted. Then on page number 30, this do you know, pink box is omitted, and development and birth is also omitted. So from do you know till the page number 30 till the end it is omitted. Only this box is there, rest all it is omitted. Then page number 31, can you tell first and second, that is which hormone से लेके यहाँ तक omitted है. Next one, page number 32, nothing is omitted. Page number 33, page number 33, this yellow box, internet is my friend, that is omitted. Then page number 34, this first para is also omitted and the box is also omitted. So from here till here it is completely omitted. Now lesson number 4. Can you recall first, second, third, fourth? This all the 4 questions are omitted. Think and answer first and second, both the questions are omitted. Can you recall, both the lines are omitted, the first and the second question. Page number 37, complete the chart and fill in the boxes, that is this full chart is completely omitted. Next on page number 38, can you recall which cycles are operated? These 2 lines are omitted and this chart is completely omitted. Observe and fill the information, that is completely omitted. This blue box is also completely omitted. Then page number 39, this box is completely, that is complete the chart, this is completely omitted. You don't have to do the chart. Next on page number 40, this yellow box, that is do you know, that is completely omitted. Then a peek into history, that is also omitted. Then complete the chart, that is also omitted. So you don't have to do this. Yellow box, a peek into the history, and this chart, all 3 are omitted. Then page number 41, do you know, it is completely omitted. Let's discuss, that is also omitted. Internet is my friend, that is also omitted. Always remember, that is also omitted. So all these things are omitted. Only this much part is there, the first para is there. Then on page number 42, only the last box is omitted, that is this box is omitted. On page number 43, how can biodiversity be conserved, that is omitted. Then voluntary organization, that is omitted. All the points are omitted from here. The last 3 lines are there in the box. Next on page number 44, think and answer is not there and this chart is completely omitted, it is not there. Next on page number 45, do you know is completely omitted. Always remember is omitted, and think, this box is also omitted. So these 3 boxes are omitted from page number 45. And in the starting, recall a little, this first 2 lines are omitted. From collect से लेके others तक omitted है. Lesson number 5, can you recall first, second and third question is omitted. Make a table, that is only this 1 line is omitted. Then on page number 48, nothing is omitted. Page number 49, the last para, that is after combustion से लेके certain problems तक omitted है, और येलो वाला बॉक्स भी omitted है, use of ICT. तो after combustion से लेके यहाँ तक completely omitted है. Then on page number 50, this box is completely omitted, yellow box is omitted. Then on page number 51, this yellow box, internet is my friend, that is omitted. compare the last two lines which is given in yellow box, that is also omitted. Page number 52, this blue box is completely omitted. Then on page number 53, स्टार्टिंग से लेके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से लेके एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली तक कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है, तो ये वाला पूरा कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है टिल फ्रेंडली तक, और ये येलो बॉक्स भी कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है. खाली इतना सा पैरा है हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी, ये वाला पार्ट है, इट इज़ देयर फॉर द सिलेबस. हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी दिस मच पार्ट इज़ देयर. देन ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, use your brain power, that is first, second and third question, that is completely omitted. Then on page number 55, this box is completely omitted, it is not there. And find out what is lake tapping and why it takes place, that is also completely omitted. Then page number 56, this diagram is omitted, and get information, that is also completely omitted. Next on page number 57, फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग इफ 2 सोलर सेल से लेके एंड तक MW कैपेसिटी तक पूरा का पूरा ओमिटेड है. देन ऑन पेज नंबर 58, फाइंड आउट, ओनली दैट मच इज ओमिटेड इन दिस पेज. नेक्स्ट ऑन पेज नंबर 59, डू यू नो दिस येलो बॉक्स इज completely omitted. Next, lesson number 6, animal classification. Can you recall is completely omitted, and this full chart is also completely omitted, so you don't have to do this full chart. So from the starting till here till the chart completes, and this can you recall, this part is also not there. तो starting से लेके how the plants are classified वहाँ तक नहीं है, बाकी last para है. Next on page number 62, फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम से लेके क्लासिफिकेशन तक कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है, और ये ब्लू बॉक्स भी कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है. नेक्स्ट ऑन पेज नंबर 63, द लास्ट पैरा इज ओमिटेड, दिस सिस्टम से लेके सेगमेंटेशन तक कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड है. फिर पेज नंबर 64, ग्रेड्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ भी नहीं है, दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली ओमिटेड, सो इन दिस पेज यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी एनीथिंग. देन ऑन पेज नंबर 65, this page also you don't have to study, this full page is completely omitted, you don't have to study anything, even the chart is diagram is also not there. Then page number 66, body cavity and body segmentation, full thing is omitted, except this chart you have to study, only this chart you have to study, rest all it is omitted. Page number 67, nothing is omitted. Page number 68, do you know that is pink box is omitted, and yellow box this is also omitted. Then page number 69, collect the information, that is internet is my friend, that is omitted. Then get information, why this question number 1 and question number 2 which is given in pink box is completely omitted. Then page number 70, this yellow box is omitted. Let's think, and the last two boxes, surprising information and books are my friend, these two are also completely omitted. Page number 71, do you know, that is given in pink boxes, omitted, rest all you have to study. Page number 72, nothing is omitted. Page number 73, nothing is omitted. Page number 74, only the last one, use your brain power, that is omitted. And on page number 75, these 3 boxes are completely omitted, so this box is not there, books are my friend, that box is not there, always remember that is also not there. Now lesson number 7, on page number 77, the last para, these process से लेके butter तक, flavor of butter तक completely omitted है. Then page number 78, let us think, this first and second question is not there, do you know, this box is also completely omitted. Page number 79, nothing is omitted, everything is there. Page number 80, this box is not there. Next page number 81, starting this from food material से लेके asparagus तक completely omitted, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines are omitted. Then on page number 82, can you tell, that is first, second and third question is not there. Next on page number 83, let us think, first, second and third question is not there. Then page number 84, can you tell, that is first 2-3 lines still happen, it is not there. Then on page number 85, this pink box, internet is my friend, that is also not there. Now lesson number 8, page number 88, can you recall, first, second, third, fourth question is not there. Observe, assign the name in the given figure below and explain the various stages that those are kept blank. So this diagram is not there for the exam. Then on page number 89, from the starting till the stem cells, it is not there. During further development, starting से लेके these stem cells नहीं है syllabus के लिए. फिर use your brain power, ये 2 line नहीं है. Then page number 90, only the last 4 lines are not there. Internet my friend, this 4 lines are not there. Page number 91, the first box, always remember this box is not there. Then recall a little, this is also not there. Question number 1, 2 and 3, that is also not there. Next, page number 92, the one which is given in the box, blue box, that is not there. Then page number 93, use of ICT, that is completely omitted. Then page number 94, this yellow box, do you know, that is completely omitted. Then page number 95, collect information about human genome project, one of the important projects in the world. So this is completely omitted. Next, page number 96, nothing is omitted. Page number 97, collect information and internet is my friend, these 2 are completely omitted. Then page number 98, nothing is omitted. Page number 99, nothing is omitted. Now lesson number 9, page number 101, this observe and discuss, this complete chart is not there. You don't have to study this chart. Next, on page number 102, nothing is omitted. On page number 103, think, and this diagram is not there, this full thing is not there. Then at the end, compare, the last 3 lines are not there for the syllabus. Next, on page number 104, recall a little, the question number 1 and 2, that is completely omitted. Then 105, internet my friend, visit the website, all this first line, and along with that cyber crime till the piracy, it is not there. तो ये पूरा cyber crime omitted है for the portion. Then page number 106, cyber crime का continuation जो है इंटरनेट तक, वो भी omitted है. Do you know, वो भी omitted है. तो पेज नंबर 106 में स्टार्टिंग से लेके यहाँ तक completely omitted है. Next, on page number 107, this yellow box is not there. Lesson number 10, can you recall first, second and third? It is not there. Next, on page number 110, let us discuss this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are not there, rest all it is there. Page number 111, let's think, that is not the yellow boxes, not there, rest all it is there. Page number 112, nothing is omitted. Page number 113, this yellow box is completely omitted, that is objectives of disaster management, that is omitted. Page number 114, nothing is omitted. 115, from the starting से लेके यहाँ तक completely omitted है, till here it is omitted. So try this से लेके get information तक everything is omitted. तो starting से लेके यहाँ तक get information का part completely omitted है. सिर्फ district disaster management authority यही last para ही पढ़ना है इस पेज में. Next, on page number 116, internet my friend, this box is omitted. Who does what, that box is also omitted. Then page number 117, this diagram is omitted. And complete the chart, this chart also you don't have to do. Then page number 118, get information, only these 2 lines are omitted. Then internet is my friend, that is also omitted. Then page number 119, always remember this box is completely omitted.